With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, if omega is a cube root of unity, then the value of this determinant is. So it is given that omega is a cube root of unity. It means the value of 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and omega cube is equal to 1. Now we have to find the value of this determinant. Now see, if I apply one operation over here, if I write column 1 as C1 means column 1 plus C2 means column 2 plus column 3. Now apply this operation over here. We got x plus 1 plus omega square omega plus x plus omega square plus 1 omega square plus 1 plus x plus omega, and here we got x omega x plus omega square 1, here is omega square, here is 1, and here is x plus omega. Now see, here we have 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square, and the value of 1 plus omega square is 0. So what we left is x, here also x, and here also x. Now I am taking x as common from column 1. Then what we got? 1 1 1, and here is omega x plus omega square 1 omega square 1 x plus omega. Now solve this determinant x. Now this 1 into x plus omega square into x plus omega minus 1 minus omega into x plus omega minus 1 plus omega square into 1 minus x minus omega square. Now solve this further. We got x into x square plus x omega square plus omega cube minus 1 minus omega x minus omega square plus omega square minus x omega square minus, here it is omega raised to the power 4, so I can write this as omega cube into omega. Now see, omega cube is 1 and here it is minus 1, so this is cut by this one. Here see, this value is 1, so here we got minus omega, so this minus omega is cut by plus omega. This omega square is cut by omega square, and x square, here it is x square, so and see here x omega, then this is cut by minus x omega, and this plus x omega square is cut by minus x omega square. So what we get? Only x square here, and outside there is one more x, so we get the value as x cube. So option 4 is the right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.